Can y'all see that well? Oh, shit. Oh, wait. Hang on. Oh, where's it? Oh, right here. Oh my god. Here we go. Now, let me move out of the way. Okay. Y'all can see that? Okay, good. So this is going to be part 2 of opening up Chilling Reigns. Oh wait, it's upside down. Chilling Reigns Pokemon cards. Yeah, this is going to be part 2. So here's the Eevee. And here comes the... I usually don't want these code cards, so if anyone out there wants these code cards, you can. Because I don't want it. Now this video might be long because I got 8 packs here. 8 right here. I got 8. So, yeah, this video might be a long one. So I'm going to have to go as quick as I can with these. There we go. This is Chilling Reign, the newest one, so... Okay. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright. So I got... So pack 1, Swirlix, Lapras, Deering, Galarian Slowpoke, Koffing, Energy, Haunter, Celio. These cards better not be the same mess as from part 1. Fania with a P instead of an F. Hollow Rare Warlin. And for the rare, Lacorna. And here's the code card for that one. Alright, pack number 2. I'll just get these guys put together. I don't care much anymore. I'm about to go fast on this video. One, 2, 4, 5, 6. Pack number 2. In pack number 2, you got Diglett. Wait, can y'all see that? Oh, there we go. You got Golett. You got another Deerling. You got Sneasel. Can't believe I got that for the first try. Then you got Galarian Farfetch'd. And then you got Energy. Carbonable. Then you got Single Strike Scroll of Piercing. Then you got Milani. Hollow Rares of Striker. And a very shiny Cressla. And here's the code card for that one. And that's pack number 2. Here's pack number 3. Code card. That's at the end. 2, 3, 4, 6. And you got pack number 3 is Castform Rainy Form Snover Galarian Yamask. Another Koffing Shuppet. Let me just bring it closer. Energy. Fire resistant gloves. Welcoming lantern. Drizzle. A non-hollow Snovic. And for the Hollow Rare Polygon Z. And here's the code card for that. That's 3 packs. 4 more to go. Well, 5 more to go. 3 packs down, 5 more to go. Here's pack number 5. Oh. Yeah, no, pack number 4, actually. I'm so messed up right now. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. For pack number 4, you got Gloom Rookie, another Sneasel, Weedle, another Galarian Farfetch'd, another Castform Rainy, Energy, another Piercing, Scroll of Piercing, Avery, Thwackey, non-hollow Beedrill, and Hollow Rare Thundurus. Here's the code card for that. Pack number 4. Now don't worry, all these cards are going to be sleeved up and put into a binder to keep. But now, we're down to these last 4. Pack number 5. Oh, it's a green one. Let me check the others. Oh, that's a green one as well. Okay, so you got for pack number 5, Scroll Bunny. Another Shuppet. Kubu. Blitzel. Schoolfish. Energy. Larion. Another fire resistant gloves. Another welcoming mat. Non-hollow Weedle. And rare Farina. And here's the code card for that one. Pack number 6. And then you got, for pack number 6 is Galarian Slowpoke, Koffing, Galarian Yamask, Snorunt, Bounsweet, Energy, Crushing Gloves, Trainer Honey, Impact Energy, non-hollow rare Peony, and rare Passivant. Here's the code card for that. The last 2 packs. Pack number 7. Okay, in pack number 7, you got Castform, Larvesta, Sad Sobel, that's in the chat, Ladybug, or Ladybug, I thought it was a Ladybug, Squid, come on now, Energy, Clara, Hunter. Okay, this is getting too much. Doctor. Wait a minute. Another non-hollow Skoolet. Here's the code card for that, just to show it off. And the last one is Celebi V Max. This is too much. This is literally too much. Alright. Let's get a sleeve. Celebi V Max, put that right there in the VIP section. Oh, here's the code card for that. If I already shown it, then I've shown it. And that was the 7th pack out of the 8. And this is the last pack right here. So what are we going to get off of this pack? And that one for the Celebi VMAX was a white. Dude, that was just so cool. Green. Okay. Okay. And out of the last pack, we got Diglett, Larvesta, Inkay, Rockruff, Ghastly, Energy, Cecilia, Fina, Fire Resistant Gloves, Sawsbuck, not another rare, and the last rare is Galarian Weezing. Here's the code card for that. There you go. Out of those 8 packs there, the only pull we got out of those 8 packs was a Celebi VMAX. So 1 out of the 8, and this is the only card we pulled. Plus we pulled the other two cards, which was a Flapple V and the Corviknight V Max. That was getting awesome. And this was part 2 of opening up Pokemon cards. I can't believe that I had to do this today. And this was the only card out of the 8 pack. I can't believe it. The only card. Celebi VMAX. Now the hard part is getting them all sleeved up. And then getting on the card decks on the App Store and checking them off. Ugh. This is going to be a real pain to do that. I may or may not go and check to see if there's more Pokemon out there. I might do that. Hope you guys